Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is gonna be a quick video because I just tried to make this video and I don't know what happened to my camera. My camera broke. Alright, guys, it's gonna be another Aegis review. I just made one not too long ago. It was actually today, so that's why I said not too long ago. It was Charlie's Chalk Dust, Peanut Butter and Jesus. If you didn't see it, you should go check it out. But it sucks. Juice is awful. Alright, this is Cuttwood Gold Series Bird Brains, Zero Nick. I usually vape from either zero, mainly 0 to 3.5, 3, I said 3.5, 3 nicotine. This looks like a very, I'm not going to say extremely thick, but I don't know the VGPG level, so I'm just going to say 70-30 VGPG, around there. That's what it looks like to me. Alright, start off by Vapor Productions. Place it over here. Alright, I neglected to do a smell test. My bad, guys. I get like a Fruit Loops, Apple Jacks smell. This is my first time like actually vaping this. In the last video that I made for this that got deleted, that was my first actual time vaping it. It's not bad. It's pretty good e-juice. It's alright. I like it. Yeah, I got an Apple Jacks mixed with the Fruit Loops kind of deal going on. Pretty alright clouds. Out of 5, I give it a solid 3. Just remember, this is only, oh, I forgot to do that. Alright, guys, my bad. This is only off of a single coil 24 gauge Canthol single coil. Nothing major, just to get a feel for the mod, and the RDA itself. I had a dual gauge, or a dual build in it, but when I was trying to pinch the coils together, I hit it and was like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, not even. I pinched it and I got so hot that the lead on the coil that's not there kind of broke. This is a very good mod. I like this mod. I like the RDA. The RDA is awesome. So I got that out of the way. Alright. Pretty alright clouds. They sink to the ground and kind of dissipate. So I give it a 3. Flavor's alright. I get the Apple Jacks, Fruit Loops, whatever they were going for. Jammy. Not bad, not bad. There will be a review on both of these, the mod and the RDA. This fucking thing's heavy. It's sturdy, I like it. Alright, yeah. Flavor now. And this is obviously no throat hit, no tingling out of the nose. I'll do that just to show you guys. 0 nicotine. That's why the guy didn't have any Nick level, I guess. You know what? Out of the nose, I get the Apple Jacks. I get like a strong flavor, a strong Apple Jacks. Like a very. It's actually good. I like it. I changed my mind. I'd vape this. Like this is like an all day vape for me. Um, that's my personal opinion. Hey, that's just me. I'm not a big Apple Jacks fan. I never had Apple Jacks growing up. Well, I had it, but not like Fruity Pebbles or like Fruit Loops, like that kind of cereal, like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Like I never, that wasn't like my main go-to cereals. I did have it a couple of times. Um, but this is a really good flavor. Yeah, I definitely get Apple Jacks. I don't know why. It smells like Apple Jacks too. So yeah, this is a very good. This is my first cereal flavor. I have one more cereal flavor. Um, I got with the mod that I bought last night. I got this Gallery Kilo. I think it's Kilo. Dewberry something, and I got I'll make a review on every e-juice that I have. But this Cuttwood Gold Series, I give it a thumbs up. I give it a thumbs up. Not bad vapor production. It's pretty good, guys. Would I recommend it to you guys? If you like Apple Jacks, go ahead, buy it. I'd go out and buy this again. Um, yeah. I'll be making a review on my Mad Hatter. I'll do a dual review. I'll do a review on this whole setup. Um, I'm gonna try to tarnish this copper to match the mod, so like looks like one piece. Um, hopefully I get that like close to the whole tarnish thing that the mod has. I really like this. This setup is awesome. Alright guys, so that's been Cuttwood Gold Series Bird Brains review. Yeah, vape on.